going on, everybody? This is Stu, your food delivery junkie, coming at you again with another review. And then on this review today, I'm doing it on the Slab BBQ Donk sandwich, which consists of sausage, brisket, ribs, chicken, and Frito. Again, the Slab BBQ Donk sandwich with sausage, brisket, ribs, chicken, and Fritos. And this restaurant is out of Cedar Park, Texas. So, without taking up too much more of your time, let's go ahead and get started. So, first of all, let me get this sandwich out of here and let you see what it looked like. So again, it has sausage, brisket, ribs, chicken, and Fritos. It's called the Donk. All right, so let's bite into this thing and let's see what it's working with. Good sound. Man, this sandwich is off the chain. Let me get another bite. So again, sausage, brisket, ribs, chicken, and it also has pulled pork. I forgot about the pulled pork, as well as Frito. And with all the meats, combination with the jalapeno peppers, the pickle, the slaw that's on it, this is a good combination. Man, so much meat, you can't hold it all. And this sandwich is on point. Has all the different meats. It's a huge sandwich. You can eat some for lunch and save the rest for dinner. This sandwich is on point. All the different meats give it a flavor that's out of this world. All the different meats combined with the jalapenos, with the different vegetables and slaw that they have in it. And again, like I said, with sausage, brisket, ribs, chicken, pulled pork, and Fritos. And the Fritos is into the sandwich, but let me pull one out here so you can see. And Fritos. Let's get one more bite. See that? Look at that. Yeah. Man. This sandwich on point. This sandwich is on point. So, if you ever in Cedar Park, get on over there to Slab BBQ in Cedar Park. Tell them you want to try that Donk sandwich. You will not be disappointed. With that, this is Food, your Stu delivery. I can't even talk. This is Stu, your food delivery junkie. I'm out. Peace.